So hey guys, it's Millie, and just before this video, I found a squishy. I haven't even told you what we're doing. I found a squishy in like the front of my eye. But anyways, today we're gonna be finding some squishies. Like I had 16, and well, I didn't have 16, but I've got loads of squishies, and I've got loads and loads missing. I think I know where they all are. My cousin hides them all in there. So we have got this bag looking for them. I just need to pull the squishies. Giant bag. Which is obviously going to be full. Like legitimately. So let's go in a hunt. Oh, there's this toy box. I know they're in there. I know they're in the toy box. Well, they're not in the toy box. Where does Skylar keep those squishies? Skylar. One spotted. Nice bowl squishy. One spotted. Great. Got more to find. Wait, no, we put it in my bag. My Squeeze-A-Mall. Found my Squeeze-A-Mall, guys. She still smells cute. Oh, my giant poo squishy on the floor. That wasn't even meant to. I just found that. Right. Where's the other? I'm gonna save one in this bowl. I'm not like someone's gone and hide them. Like I've actually lost them. So that's what I'm going to do. Try and find them. Don't ask my nan. She never started to keep the water. I'm on a hunt for squishies. Some of them have gone lost. Squishies, not squashies. I like your coat. Did you say that Mom found loads of squishies the other day?
Once she found, she put in the bag.
That was probably thingy involved. I'm on a hunt for squishies because I've lost some of them. And I know I had loads more before those ones. And I lost them all. Because Harvey played with them sometimes. I think some of them might be in the toy box. We will see. So we are now going downstairs. Okay. I had loads in my school bag at once and they all got stolen. Wasn't surprised. Can't be bothered. Oh no.
You're going to use it?
Found my cousin's squishy. She's probably looking for. You know. You can still. This is my hat for Christmas. It colour changes. Those glitter ones. I'll show you. Twist it. You can like. those like colours with the glitter. I've got a stop on too. Right. It's not in here. Oh. I've only found 4 squishies. In here. Oh, my hamster stuff's in there. That's getting used later. She won't. Oh. And in here. Ding. Ding. Oh, my ding. Hold on. This plug-in from. Is that even on? Guys, I have a speaker, and this is like the Apple speaker. So if that plugs into that, I can charge it. What's some dollars? We've got shellless Skittles in America, not in America, in England.
Something that
they're skinless, they've got no shell.
Only assigned to landfill.
They're good.
And hopefully I can pull something
Yeah.
out of it.
We've got no shells. From my cousin's panda squishing. It's so hard compared to mine. Ready? 3, 2, squish.
Such an amazing label, but it's obviously outgrown its use and it is actually rickety. If we're working with material as
We found mine. Squeezemals, whatever.
maybe just becoming
Someone know? They're called Squeezemals. Found the dog squishy.
something that just really
Rice ball squishy.
celebrates what it is.
It looks like Rupert is convincing Sarah to see you at the table in this dinner table.
Just my squishies. This whole bag is full. This bag can hold up 2 litres. My bag can hold up 2 litres. 2 litres worth of squishy answer. I'm running out of food for the speaker. I know it's not gonna fit.
2-3 days work, depending on what we're casting per se.
If
So,
it,
yeah, I think you're about right.
Brilliant. Okay, that's a great place to leave this and then go forward. Hopefully come back and find something.
right, I give up anyways.
I love the fact that Rupert
So, yeah.
recognised that table has
See you
been
guys
the
later.
centre of so many good times. And I know with his
Yeah,
radical
SpongeBob.
redesign,
Bye.
it's going to be surrounded